Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on the patio. This is going to be a short one tonight. I'm smoking my Carey Magic Inch Pipe, and in it I am smoking Burley Light without a bite. Quickly becoming one of my all-time favorite pipe tobaccos. I'm really loving that tobacco. It's some good stuff. I'm enjoying these Carey Magic Inch Pipe. Is actually a really good smoking pipe. It uses a little paper filter that you put, and I'll show you here. You have to put this little paper filter over the stem here, and then you put the stem itself has holes in it here that filter air. Filter air into the pipe as you are smoking it, and it really cools everything down, keeps everything really cool, and I really enjoy this pipe. I don't seem to do many videos with this pipe for some reason, but I use it a lot. I really enjoy the Carey Magic Inch pipes. I picked this one up from Corvette Jim Piper. That's when he was selling on his adoptions, and glad I got it. It's a good one. This Burley Light without a bite is just a very nice, smooth, just a great smoke. I had seen Old Pop smoking it, and Old Pop sent me some, and I'm in love with this stuff now. So, God, it's just a good tobacco, man. Really good. And the Burley Light without a bite has some sort of topping to it, but I think it's, I want to say vanilla, but it's not overpowering. It's just kind of there, you know. I do love it. I do love this tobacco. It's got a great taste. It smells great. It smells really good, I think. Very, no bite at all. I mean, it really has no bite at all. Just a smooth smoke. And of course, the Carey Magic Inch makes everything seem to smoke cooler with that, because it draws air in through the stem. I'm not sure how they work, but it does work. It really does work. The only thing I wish they had better stems. Their stems are kind of, I don't want to say flimsy, but they're not. They're kind of flimsy. But I wish they made a better stem that you could order, you know, if you wanted it. And they're kind of narrow, which I'm not a big fan of narrow stems. Boy, it sure is a cool smoke though. It really, It really is a cool smoking pipe. I mean, very, very cool. I know I keep saying that, but that's what it is. It's just a cool smoking pipe. And the Lane Burley Light Without a Bite. It's in my top 3 tobaccos right now. I think it may have replaced 1Q. And y'all know I love 1Q, but Burley Light Without a Bite maybe number 1 on my list right now. Well, the leprechaun weed that Eric the Blue Collar Pipe Smoker made, that's the best tobacco right now. That's my favorite tobacco right now. And this is second. Burley Light Without a Bite is my next favorite. So give it a shot. If you get a chance to get a Carey Magic Inch Pipe, if you see one somewhere, grab it. You could still get the little filters for them. You can go to EA Carey, get the little filters from them. You can order pipes from them as well. They're relatively inexpensive. They're kind of like in the gray bow area of cost. But they smoke great, man. They smoke good. And it's a nice looking bowl on it. I mean, it's got nice grain and everything on it. It's a nice pipe. So anyway, I'm gonna close it off here, and I'll catch you guys later. God bless you.